I want to improve my English conversational skills.
What areas do you feel you need the most help with?
I struggle with confidence and fluency.
Speak English every day, even if it's just a little.
Who can I practice with?
Try speaking with friends.
How can I expand my vocabulary?
Read books and use new words and sentences.
Should I focus on grammar?
Yes, but don't let it stop you from speaking.
Is it helpful to think in English?
Yes, think in English as much as possible.
What if I make mistakes?
It's okay. Mistakes are part of learning.
Is there any app for improving English?
Yes, there's an amazing app called Sparky AI.
Can you tell me more about it?
You can talk to Sparky AI about different topics that are of interest to you.
How can I access this app?
You can download the Sparky AI app from the Play Store.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who can drive?
I can drive.
Who called you?
John called me.
Who wants ice cream?
The kids want ice cream.
Who is that?
That is my neighbor.
Who can help me?
I can help you.
Who is coming?
My parents are coming.
Who broke the vase?
The cat broke the vase. Shall I close the door?
No, leave it open.
Shall I turn on the light?
Yes, it's getting dark.
Shall I call you a taxi?
No, I can walk.
Shall I make some coffee?
Yes, I would love some.
Shall I read this book?
Yes, it's very interesting.
Shall I bring a jacket?
Yes, it's cold outside.
Hi. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was work today?
It was busy.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to read books.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What does your brother do?
He is a teacher.
Do you play any sports?
I play basketball.
What is your favorite hobby?
I like painting.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite food.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, very much.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, especially ice cream.
What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Do you eat out often?
Not too often.
What's your favorite restaurant?
A local Italian place.
How do you take your coffee?
Will you go to work tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to work tomorrow.
Will you eat breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I will eat breakfast in the morning.
Will you drink coffee later?
Yes, I will drink coffee later.
Will you read a book tonight?
Yes, I will read a book tonight.
Will you watch TV this evening?
Yes, I will watch TV this evening.
Will you exercise tomorrow?
Yes, I will exercise tomorrow.
Will you cook dinner tonight?
Yes, I will cook dinner tonight.
Will you clean your house this weekend?
Yes, I will clean my house this weekend.
Will you go shopping on Saturday?
Yes, I will go shopping on Saturday.
Will you visit your family next month?
Yes, I will visit my family next month.
Will you take the bus to work tomorrow?
Yes, I will take a bus to work tomorrow.
Will you listen to music while working?
Yes, I will listen to music while working.
Will you play sports this weekend?
Yes, I will play soccer this weekend.
Will you study English tomorrow?
Yes, I will study English tomorrow.
Will you walk your dog in the morning?
Yes, I will walk my dog in the morning.
Will you water the plants later?
Yes, I will water the plants later.
How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
What's your name?
My name is Mary.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What time is it?
It's 3:30 p.m.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I'm a nurse.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
How was your day?
It was good, thanks.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm starving.
What's for dinner?
We're having pasta.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
How's your family?
They're all well, thanks.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
English speaking practice. What is your name?
My name is Sonia.
Where are you from?
I am from Gujarat.
How old are you?
I am 25 years.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on June 3rd.
What is your marital status?
I am unmarried.
Where were you born?
I was born in Gujarat.
What do you do?
I am teacher.
What is your Gmail address?
It's sonia4@gmail.com.
Do you know me?
We have been friends since childhood.
What will you do tomorrow?
I will go to the park with my friends.
What do you do yesterday?
I want to go and meet my grandfather.
Where is your brother?
He is reading a book.
What is he doing?
He is in his history class.
She goes to school.
She is going to school.
She will go to school.
He eats breakfast.
He is eating breakfast.
He will eat breakfast.
They play football.
They are playing football.
They will play football.
I read a book.
I am reading a book.
I will read a book.
We cook dinner.
We are cooking dinner.
We will cook dinner.
She sings a song.
She is singing a song.
She will sing a song.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not busy.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What time is it?
It's 4 o'clock.
How do you travel to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading books.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly, here you are.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Have you been to London?
No, I haven't been there yet.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
What time do you start work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym after work.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play any instruments?
No, I don't play any instruments.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV in the evening.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
How much does it cost?
It's $20.
What's your dream job?
I'd love to be a photographer.
Can I have a glass of water?
Certainly, here you are.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
I like painting.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to pop music.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I've been to a few.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like mathematics.